Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix games that crash on startup on a Windows 11 PC. First, restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. Once you are inside the BIOS, look for memory or overclocking settings. If you see an XMP or DOCP profile enabled, disable it. XMP can make RAM unstable in some systems and cause games to crash before they even load. Save the changes and boot back into Windows. Next, adjust Windows for best performance. In Windows Search, type Performance and open Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Select Adjust for best performance. Click Apply and then OK. After that, disable background apps and overlays. Close apps like screen recorders, RGB software, browser tabs, and game overlays such as Discord overlay or NVIDIA overlay. These can conflict with games when they launch. If the game opens to the main menu, go into the in-game settings. Lower all graphics settings to low or medium. Set texture quality to low, reduce shadows, and turn off ray tracing if it is enabled. High texture settings use a lot of GPU memory. Also, disable any upscaling options like DLSS, FSR, or XS. These features consume GPU memory. If your GPU runs out of memory, the game can crash instantly on startup or right after loading. Turning them off helps stabilize the game. You should also verify the game files. If you are using Steam, right-click the game, open Properties, go to Installed Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. This fixes missing or corrupted files that can cause crashes. After completing these steps, most games that crash on startup in Windows 11 should work normally. Thanks for watching.